guys, welcome to our second part of our video series on Microsoft Excel. Today this is going to be a very short one on an introduction to formulas. So all that I want to highlight is the format of a formula in Excel, and we've very quickly touched on it in the previous video. So all functions or formulas in Excel start with an equal sign, and then we have some form of calculation. So this is a cell reference, column B, row 3. We have our mathematical operator and we have a number. So the reason why I selected this one is to show you that we can use either cell references or actual numbers to do calculations. So I could simply say 5 times 2 in here as well. Just to show that a formula can be longer than just 2 values, we could, for example, have B3, and this little sign means to the power of 2 times 14 minus 4 divided by 2 in brackets. So with these calculations, BODMAS, brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, applies to Excel as well. So in this case, we would first do the 4 divided by 2, which is 2. 14 minus 2 is 12. That's our bracket. Here we have the power of, so we would first calculate. Let's say the value in B3 is 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 4 times 12 is 48. So our result in this would be 48. All right, so let's look at our textbook quickly. So we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So these signs, the division sign, I'm just highlighting that, is a / in Excel. And that is basically it. So the only thing that I want to highlight still is if you do your activity 4 on formulas, is to highlight this little icon on the side of the activity. If you click on it, it's a link to a YouTube video that takes you through each of these activities. So this one will be activity 4.1, this one 4.2, etc. So this one is fairly long, but you have the rest of the period as well as homework to finish this activity. All right, thank you guys for watching.